Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll be looking at the grade center. So the grade center can be accessed from the menu on the left. So if we go to the left here and we go to the bottom, you can see grade center here. So if you click that, it will open up the menu. And then we have some options on here. We have the needs grading and full grade center. So if you click on the needs grading first, we can see the needs grading section. And this is the section where you will find the student assignments that have been submitted but are yet to be marked. So we can come here and just see the assignments that still need to be marked. So in order to mark them, we just need to click on the student's name under user attempt, and then it will take us to the assignment where we can mark it, and that is discussed in another video. So this is very quickly the needs grading section. If we go to the full grade center, this is where we can see the students' marks for submitted assignments or completed tests. So this is the grade center here, full grade center. On the left here we have the students' names, and then the IDs, and then we also have some columns, and some of these columns are there by default, like the weighted total and the total, so we can just ignore them. And over here on the right we have some more columns. So in this case here we have assignment 1, assignment 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and these are basically the assignments for the writing portfolio. And then we have a fifth column here, which is the writing portfolio total. And all 5 of these columns have been added to the grade center when we did the import of the writing portfolio package. So what happens is it imports the package, imported the writing portfolio assignments as you saw in the other video tutorial, and it also imported the columns, or these columns here, in the grade center. And this is where you can see the marks of all of the students for their assignments. So in this case here we have the total writing portfolio column here, which is the total of all of the assignments added together. On the right here there are some more columns, and these are basically columns for tests that I have created. So we have demo test 2, mobile demo test 1 and mobile demo test 2. These are tests that I have created, and when I create the test, or when you create the test, what happens is a column is automatically added here in this area. A column is added for that specific test. So this is where you can come and see what the marks of the students are from the tests, so what marks they got. What you can also do here is you can manually change the marks. So let's say, for example, here this is assignment 1 and the students have been given some marks here. So what I can do here is I can actually change it from here. So if I click on this cell here, I can just change it. Let's say I change it to 30, and then I press enter and it will change automatically. Right, so let me change it back. Right, so I've entered and changed it back. So if you change it like that and then you just click away, then you can also get a confirmation message at the top. If you don't press enter, you just click away. In this case here, I'll just press cancel so I don't save it. So that's changing the grades here manually. Now we can edit the columns if you'd like. So I can click on this small arrow here and just change some information for this test, for example, in this case. So I can edit the test, change the due date, etc. I can't delete the column. So what is important to know is that if I want to delete the column, so let's say here I have mobile demo test 2 and I no longer want to keep it here, and I just want to delete the test as a whole. So I can't delete the column yet. What I need to do first is I need to delete the test from the location where I created the test. So in this case, I created the mobile demo test 2 in Dalil al-Muqarrar. So I can go to Dalil al-Muqarrar. So I've opened up Dalil al-Muqarrar and I can see here my test that I created in this section. So mobile demo test 2 here. I want to delete it, so I just click on the small arrow here and then click delete. Confirmation message here, yes, I want to delete. So I click delete. Sometimes you might get error message here, or it might go blank like this. It doesn't matter, it's not an issue. Just refresh your page. Okay, even if you get an error message, don't worry about that. So I've refreshed my page, I've deleted it. If I go back to Dalil al-Muqarrar where it was initially, I can no longer see it there, so it's not there anymore. So now I just need to go back to the grade center. I've refreshed the grade center, and then if I have a look at the columns, I can see that the mobile demo test 2 is still there in the grade center. The column is still there, even though I've deleted it already from its location. So what I now need to do is delete it from this section here. So I just click on this arrow here, and now I get the option of deleting the column. So before I didn't get that option, so now I get this option. So I just click on delete column. Okay, and now it's updated, and now there's no more column for the mobile demo test 2. This one is the mobile demo test 1. So what we can also do in this section here is we can create more columns, right? Average columns, total columns, if we'd like. And what we can also do is we can download the data here. We can download this data here, and this will be useful later on for when we need to submit the grades, the student grades. So in order to download this now, what we need to do is go to the right here and click and go to work offline and just click on download. And then you come to this page here, and you can see here it says data, select data to download. Here I can download the full grade center, or I can download selected columns. Right. So I can download the selected column, but in this case I want to download the full grade center. And then I just press on submit. It says here the data has been saved to a file. To download the file and work offline, so now click download. So click on download, and then I just want to save it anywhere. So now it will be downloaded.